Morning, I wanted to share how I prepare my workshops with my clients. As I always say, I love co-creation, meaning that when I interview my clients to know what they need, we go on mural, which is something like Miro, and we go through different questions. We start always with a funny question, ask people what they feel on that day based on pictures. Just to get to a moment where we laugh, and when we laugh we are more creative. Then we look at this one is in German, but basically we look at the reason why we're here, the results we want to receive or to have, the people who are being part of the event, the process that we will go through, like which exercise do we have 2 days, 1 day, like allgemein overall, the risk that we have in the workshop, if we have someone who's always against everything or someone who's always on his phone, really important to know there. Then the preparation of material, of the room, how many tables do we need, how many chairs, something like this. And then something very practical, when do we eat and where do we eat, and do we come the day before, like how is the organization, the practical part. And usually we use that, or I use that with my clients to clarify the workshop. And it's really cooperative, co-creative, and everyone understands what is expected from them. And we can also clarify many things. So that's why I use mural, because it's visual and we see the same thing. We agree on what we're talking about, which is most of the time the most difficult part when working with other human beings, because we all see the world through different glasses. And now I don't see anything anymore. So, see, I need my glasses. I wish you a good day. I hope you could understand better how I work, and I wish you